In this video, I am going to show you one of the simplest way to trade binary options in 5-second time frame. I am on a mission to simplify the trading. So if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button below this video. And no matter whatever strategy you learn from, it doesn't matter either it is from highly paid course or from me or from someone else. Do use that strategy firstly in the demo account. Always use that strategy in the demo account. Test it firstly, and if it is working for you personally, then only start to use it in real account. And if you don't have a pocket option account, then I have given a link in the description which will teach you how to create and verify your pocket option account, and it will also reveal a one secret strategy that is extremely simple to trade binary options in a highly profitable way. So do watch that. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. For this strategy, we are going to use an indicator that is called zigzag. So I'll show you everything from the beginning. Let's cut this zigzag indicator for now. So this is the Japanese candlestick with S5 time frame. That means 5-second time frame. In 5 seconds, each of these candles are forming. And then make sure that this is clock, not flag. Okay, this is clock, and then just click on here and select S5. So this means it is a 5-second time frame, and you can see the payout is 92%. So if I invest $100 at here, then my return is going to be $92 within 5 seconds. Now let's put our indicator, that is zigzag indicator. So let's click on here for that, and then find out the zigzag indicator. Just click on it, okay, and the zigzag indicator is installed. Now you don't need to make some edit at this deviation, depth and back step. Okay, all is fine here. So let's keep it as it is. So now you need to understand how you need to use zigzag indicator. So you can learn vast ways to use it, or a simple way that I'm going to show you and teach you in this video. It's your choice, okay, whichever way you want to go. So the indicator that you are seeing, this is straightly up. That means the uptrend is going on. So now what happens is, as you can see here, when this kind of line you see in the real time, then you notice that some of the candles are red, and once it start to go green in 5 seconds, then here you can see it will make few candles green. Okay, and that is the place where you need to make trade. So as you can see, it is going up, it again came down, and some are green, and then there is a little bit uptrend at here. Similarly, you can see in other part also. If you see all the candles in the past, this is repeating the same format. Okay, and zigzag is going to make you understand where you need to make trade. So as you can see, for now it is going down in red, and if some makes green at here, then you can take trade by clicking on higher. But there is the one clause that you need to understand. So these are becoming so much consolidated. As you can see here, it is becoming so much consolidated at here, and here you can see zigzag is also starting to fail at this point. Okay, so in this kind of market you should avoid. Okay, you should also know where to avoid. Okay, this kind of market you need to avoid. If you see at here, then it is not like that in these conditions. In up to here also it is not like that. Okay, but again here you can see it is trying to show us if it is going to show trend. So you need to wait and watch to take trade at here. Okay, and if it shows a little bit also like this kind of thing, then you can start to make trade. But for now, as you can see, it is showing uptrend, but 3 candles are being green, red, and then 1 candle is green and again red. So this is going to be a highly risky trade if you make trade in this kind of place. See, same thing goes when it shows to downtrend. Okay, same thing that I have explained in uptrend will be used in the downtrend also. So now what I will do is I'll find some currency pair where I can show you by trading live. So here you can see I have found a beautiful chart. It is now falling down. So whenever it makes like 2 to 3 candles green, then I can easily make trade by clicking on higher at this point. So let's wait for another candle and make this candle, trade in this candle, and let's see what happens in this. So as you can see, I have made a profit at here. So it is this much simple to use zigzag indicator in a profitable way. So this much for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.